Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. You ever seen my channel before? Please subscribe. Alright guys, I just want to first start off by saying Happy New Year's. I hope 2023 is an awesome year for everybody. Also, I have a lot of plans for this channel, so please stay tuned and subscribe. I just also want to say I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I know me and the family did. Leo did get to meet Santa Claus for the first time. He is also 9 months old now. Time is flying by. It's crazy how fast they grow. All right, so today it's about 3:30 in the morning. We're gonna go to Bald Mountain. We're gonna try to get a sunrise. They're saying it's gonna be a beautiful morning. We will see. I've never done a sunrise or a sunset on Bald Mountain as many times as I've hiked Bald Mountain, so it's kind of weird for me. I was gonna do Snowy, but they said that about a mile in, that river is flooded and you can't even cross it, so I scratched that plan. But let's see how it is. I never done a sunrise on Bald Mountain. We'll see how it is. All right, guys, let's get it. That's the new hospital they're putting up. All right, guys, we're all fueled up. Let's get this adventure going. All right, guys, as you see, we made it to Bald Mountain. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 12 degrees out, so it's a little bit on the chilly side, but it's looking like we're gonna have an awesome sunrise, so fingers crossed. I was on all trails about 20 hours ago. Somebody posted that the trails are pretty icy, so you are gonna need micro spikes or crip-ons. I did bring my crip-on, so I'm gonna put those on. They're saying about 7:30 will be the sunrise, so you gotta probably about a good 2 hours after I get geared up. But I can't wait. Let's get it, guys. All right, let's go, guys. Looks like we got red. Awesome. All right, let's go. All right, guys, hopefully you could hear me. I have my mask on. Like I said, it's about 12 degrees out here, the wind, so it's probably a wind chill of like 6. But if you're wondering what these slides are, if you guys don't live in the north, there's a lot of snow. You're like, why is all these slides? When you're coming back down the mountain, they conserve energy and it's a lot easier. You just slide down on your butt. It can be dangerous sometimes, but if you're careful, you know what you're doing, you do pretty well. You get down that mountain a lot quicker. Alright guys, let's go. Are you afraid of the dark? I loved that show when I was a kid. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're coming up on the second fall summit. Absolutely beautiful. We're getting there. You can see that sunrise is coming up. Hopefully it's beautiful. And that moon. Just awesome. All right, guys, let's go. That's how it's done. All right, guys, we made it. There she is. All right, let me take my clip-ons off. Hey, how you guys doing? And yep, I'm not on top of Bald Mountain. So last clip you see me, we were on top of the fire tower, but we're not there. I'm actually on my little hike down by my house, so a little far from Bald Mountain. Let me explain why. I usually end the video of me talking to you guys and thank you guys for the support. It means a lot to me. Well, like I said earlier in the video, it was a pretty cold morning. It had to be negatives on top of that mountain with that wind, as you guys could hear in the video. So I always filmed, I just got a GoPro 10 not that long ago. I usually had the GoPro 9, and I never had issues with it in cold weather. But with this camera, it started to mess up more as I got to the top of the hike. It kept cutting out and saying low battery, and the batteries are completely charged. So it kept cutting out on me, and I couldn't really film much. So I tried warming it up, and it helped out a little bit, and I could only get so much until more of like when the sun came up, as you guys just seen in the last clip. It completely malfunctioned the SD card, it said. But so I do carry spare SD cards, so I replaced it, and same exact thing, malfunction SD card. So the camera would not work at all. So it was the camera that was messing up. I never really had an issue with that. I did look it up, and they said that they do sell the cold weather battery. I'm gonna have to try to get that, but it's a known issue with these GoPro 10s. Even with the 9s, they said, but I never really had an issue with them. But I'm having an issue with this, the GoPro 10. So I am gonna have to get that battery and see if it works out. But I just wanna let you guys know, because I just didn't want to end the video like that. I did get some clips on the way down. I only got like 2 of them because it just completely malfunctioned. But I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. It means a lot to me. And that being said, I can't wait for the next one. Later, guys.